What's up guys, welcome back to Moneymaking channel. In this video I show you how to plug your second channel to Google Adsense, and your channel has 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of viewing, and after that we choose account of your Google Adsense of first channel. And next we go into Google Adsense and main page. After that we go to account, settings, and settings. It's first your account, it's administration settings. You need to write your mail second channel and on administration tools. After that you need to login, exit AdSense and login to second channel, your second channel. And we go into YouTube second channel and go into channel settings and second page, it's monetization. If you need payment for Google AdSense, you need enable that functional. And after that we go next, choose account, your second account, and accept. After accept we go into AdSense, and congratulations, you are just in Google AdSense. Congratulations, your channel has been approved for monetization. Account status: monetization is enabled. Welcome YouTube partner. So after that you will be monetize your video of your video manager, and we see monetization is enabled now, and green. And we see dollars. We need this dollars is green. That you go actions and enable monetization in all videos. And enable monetization, and pending edit, it's update. And you are welcome. So guys, thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you later.